The top 5 most expensive yachts in the world are a sight to behold. Coming in at number 1 is the Azam, owned by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan of the United Arab Emirates. This luxurious yacht measures a staggering 590 feet in length and cost a jaw-dropping $600 million to build. In second place is the Eclipse, owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. This impressive vessel is 536 feet long and features amenities such as 2 helipads, a submarine, and a missile defense system. The Eclipse comes with a price tag of $500 million. Taking the third spot is the Dubai, owned by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum of Dubai. This opulent yacht spans 531 feet and boasts a swimming pool, helipad, and a stunning glass staircase. The Dubai cost a cool $400 million to construct. In fourth place is the A+, owned by Andrey Melnichenko, a Russian billionaire. This sleek yacht measures 468 feet in length and features a unique design with a striking black hull. The A+ set Melnichenko back $360 million. Rounding out the top 5 is the Sailing Yacht A, also owned by Andrey Melnichenko. This futuristic yacht is 468 feet long and features 3 masts that are taller than the Statue of Liberty. The Sailing Yacht A cost an impressive $330 million to build. These top 5 most expensive yachts in the world are a testament to the wealth and extravagance of their owners. With their impressive size, luxurious amenities, and eye-watering price tags, these yachts are truly in a league of their own.